Gotta take it day by day. Keep moving forward no matter what they say. And when the thieves try to steal your faith, keep pushing through them, 'cause there ain't no other way. If you wanna get stronger, we don't break, no we don't break. Stronger, stronger, no we don't break, no we don't break. Stronger, stronger.
Find your strengths and play those. This will ease your journey in the game. When you team up, choose to pair accordingly to your strengths. Accept your weaknesses. Don't spend valuable time on trying to strengthen them. Make some strategy decisions around them. Even when you have weaknesses, you can level up your game using your strengths and teamwork. When I door knock as a team, I know I contribute strong communication skills. I have mastered my speech with each door visited. My teammates may not be as good as me in this area, and that's okay. I have often seen this pairing balance strategy work well. Teaming up to balance your weakness with another person's strength is a good resource allocation. You always want to make wise use of your energy allocation. When you are at the door knocking, the fact is that you will probably be facing no's 99% of the time. Therefore, you want to be as strong as you can for your yeses. Real estate can be a discouraging game. It can knock you out if you're not careful. So don't spend so much of your valuable time worrying about your weaknesses.
Stronger, stronger.